Hurricane Ann continues to move in off the Atlantic Ocean back into the shorelines of the Carolinas, and of course dangerous storm. It's a Category 1 moving inland. You can actually see the clouds that we're experiencing across Ohio and Pennsylvania this afternoon is the outer canopy of that storm that is causing all the trouble to our southeast. Now these are just high clouds for us, and this is the only impact we're going to feel on through the afternoon. A storm still about 540 miles to our south, and you can see the rain shield moving into the mountains of Virginia and western North Carolina. I do expect those rain showers to try to inch their way toward us as we get into your Saturday. Now, hurricane force winds expected here as you get into between Charleston, South Carolina, and then Myrtle Beach way up on the top part of the screen there. In between looks like it's going to take the worst impact out of this storm as it moves on in. Of course, dangerous storm hitting the South Carolina and North Carolina coastlines here. Tropical storm force winds still expected to move inland along 26, right up along 95 out of South Carolina into North Carolina, and then those tropical storm force winds expected to decrease the further west and northwest you get. But regardless, still a strong storm that'll make its way across South and North Carolina and even Virginia as we get into tonight. So this is the latest update here. It's midday, 85-mile-per-hour winds, a Category 1 coming on shore. Now into tonight and tomorrow, the storm is expected to move northward right up through the mountains into Virginia, southern West Virginia, and of course us here at home in eastern Ohio and western Pennsylvania will be on the northwest fringe of this storm as it approaches. So we'll go ahead and throw Future Tracker into motion with this storm starting this evening. We're dry here at home, just some clouds around. I do expect the clouds to stick overnight, but notice how the moisture starts building northward into the start of your Saturday morning. We're going to be right on the edge of this, and there's still a chance that it could bounce just to our south, keeping the heaviest rain out of our region. Very close for us, but the risk is there for showers and even an isolated thunderstorm tomorrow through the day. You can see how sharp this cutoff is on the northwest fringe. So if the storm decides to move 2 or 3 counties to our southeast on a storm that's ranging more than 700 miles wide, it's just a little wobble for it, and that would keep the heaviest rain out of here. But right now it does look like that risk of showers will be around locally as we stay on the fringe of this into tomorrow afternoon, right on into your Saturday night, and most of this should wrap up by Sunday morning and move back away from the area, and we'll actually get into better weather. So the bottom line, here's what you can expect out of Ian. Now, turning cloudy and dry into tonight. Showers try to develop toward tomorrow morning. There's the possibility that some of those showers could be heavier tomorrow with some gusty wind and even a little bit of thunder out there as we go through the afternoon and evening, and then the showers move out by your Sunday.